I've been working with so many businesses, and up till today, lots of businesses, you will not believe it, big and small and medium, still don't use the CRM, the software to manage their business. And the real reason why they don't use it, because it's it's another tool, and they don't want overwhelm. And they were never shown how to use it, or it seemed too complicated or techy for them. So most platforms, they skip onboarding completely, but with Pulse Growth we do it differently. Not only we have one-on-one strategy call, but we help with initial setup. We walk you through the system, we train your staff, we do step-by-step instructions, so everything operates on automation with our help, so we don't leave you just on the waters. And if you have already something built complicated, or you have another CRM in place and zillions of other tools, we do work with complex solutions as well. Our team can actually set everything up for you. So all you need to do is just sign up, schedule an onboarding call, and our team gonna handle for you from the day one. A system only works when actually people understand the system. So start with a free trial, and no pressure and no confusion.